Hello there, my name is Bruce from Design Shop. In a previous video I was showing you how to put together your screen. We've now added a top layer. Now this is for use with a screen that's 96 centimetres high or the larger one that's 115 centimetres high that are used normally on a desk. Okay, to put the top layer on is very simple, but I thought it was important just to show you a little tip on how to do it. So what I do, it's actually got a self-adhesive layer on it, which we're going to take off the backing tape in a minute. But first of all, that is where we're going to be applying this thing to. And if you can see at that end, can you see it's in about 10 mil from the end, which is correct, that's where it goes. And this goes on the front face of this screen. So I start by peeling back about so much of the self-adhesive. So we start by positioning the rail about 10 mil in from the corner. And then what we've done is we've just slightly applied that there, making sure that the top is nice and level with the top of the screen. And then what we do is we just work along, pushing that down, which will activate the adhesive. And then gradually we take the backing paper off, and with this hand, just keep it level with the top of the screen, because that just gives it that guidance. And then you can literally go along, just applying a small amount of pressure, which will put that and bond that into place. Again, just pull that off, and you can just carry on working around. Very simple. Working all the way around to the end, and then remove it. Again, just make sure it's level at the top. And then firm pressure, and it's in place. Thank you for watching.